life.
Voyagers began to sail.
The world was theirs to discover. For more than 1,000 years, the ocean guarded the heart of Te Fiti.
Searching for someone who could find Maui, defeat Taka,
Restore the heart of Te Fiti and save mankind. She didn't know it then, but the ocean gave Moana the heart of Te Fiti. I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the light in the sky is a sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the winds my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll go. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has so cool on this island, so maybe I can go with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside is a different song. What is wrong with me? Here's the line, the sky is the sea, and it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. All the time, running where I need to be is behind me. I'm on my own to worlds unknown. I take every trail I track, it's a choice I make. Now I can't turn back. From the great unknown, where I go alone, where I long to be. Courage, Moana! Strength, Moana! Open your sail! Whoa! That's more like it! Maui, I'm coming for you! See the light of the night in the sea, she calls me. Yes, I know I can go. There's a moon in the sky and the wind is behind me. Soon I'll know how far I'll go. I am Moana of Motunui. You will board my boat, sail across the sea, and restore the heart of Te Fiti.
Whoa! It almost sounds like you don't like me, which is impossible. What I think you were trying to say is thank you.
Thank you?
You're welcome.
What? No, you're coming with me to Te Fiti.
Okay. I see what's happening, yeah. Face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. But it's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes and let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui. Breathe it in. I know it's a lot, the hair, the bod. When you're staring at a demigod. So what except you're welcome for the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary guy. Where to begin? So many different feats. You might be wondering, how could a single demigod possibly be so awesome?
No, I wasn't! Hey, but as you rose and pulled up the sky, when you were wandering high,
This guy.
when the nights got cold, you stole you fire from down below.
You're looking at him, yo. Oh, also I lassoed the sun.
You're welcome.
Stretch your legs and bring you fun. Also I harnessed the breeze.
You're welcome.
To build your sails and shade your trees.
So what can I say except you're welcome?
From the eye to the pool from the sea.
There's no need to praise, okay? You're welcome.
I guess it's just my way of being.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Well, honestly, I can go on and on. I can explain every natural phenomenon.
The diagram. Oh, just messing around. Hey, you knew it. There it is. That's right to me. There's no coconut. What's the lesson? What does it take away?
I can count all the things that I've done, the places I've seen, the battles I've won. For I've been on make everything happen. Look at that mini man with his skinny jack. Hey, 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 hey,
Way like you say, you're welcome.
no.
Hey, it's okay, you're welcome.
Come to think of it, I got you. Cause I'm trying to be and thank you.
Well, Master Wayfinder, why don't you start from the beginning?
We read the wind and the sky, the sun is high. We sail the length of the seas on the ocean breeze.